At the Northwest Gardener, our seasonal flower program is about more than just color. It's about creating moments of beauty tailored to each space and season. Each summer begins with the careful removal of winter flowers, pansies, ornamental kale, cabbage, and bulbs that have finished blooming. We pull everything out so our seasonal displays always look their absolute best. No lingering, tired plants here. Then we prep the beds. That means compost, fertilizer, sometimes soil moist, whatever the site needs. Our team adjusts based on shade, soil type, and whether it's a bed or a pot. Every property is different, and our prep work reflects that. We work with local growers who deliver to our greenhouse. Each day our team loads up the flowers chosen specifically for the sites we're visiting. Every layout is designed by our flower division manager Julie, whose background in art really shines through. Install is where the magic happens. Whether it's a commercial bed or a residential pot, we use color theory, height, and texture to create balanced, eye-catching arrangements. We consider every angle, especially in planters where you might walk by from all sides. Once planted, everything gets watered in, either through on-site irrigation or hand watering. That first watering is critical. We also apply repellents like liquid fence, sluggo, or avian control as needed. Deer, birds, rabbits, and slugs love our flowers, but we make sure they don't get the first taste. Most people don't realize how much thought and care goes into seasonal flowers. To us, it's more than planting. It's stewardship. We're here to brighten your day, to bring a little color into your world, and to make sure that beauty lasts all season long.